Now that you have products set up on your TripWorks account, let's take a look at the couple different ways that you can make a point of sale purchase. So first, from your dashboard, there are some quick links over on the right. You can select point of sale and your product catalog will appear. You can select a category across the top or just select from the products listed right here. As you tap on the products, you'll see them appear on the right-hand side where you can then change the quantity of each. Next, select Checkout and Pay to move to the next screen. You can on this page decide to collect the contact information of the guest. This is great for adding to your contacts within your TripWorks dashboard. It's also a good way to email or text a receipt to a customer if that's something that they would like after the purchase is made. If you prefer not to collect this information, you can select Next Step to skip this page. Here, you'll be prompted to add the payment to complete the order. You may choose, in some cases, to skip the payment, and this will bring you over to the point of sale order, where you can then add a promo code. You can save and hold a card on file if this is food or drinks that the customer might be adding to during the time of their experience. You can also skip over to the products page just to see the list of products that you've added to the order so far. Next, let's take a look at product purchases through your website. There may be times where during checkout, you'd like to list products so your customers can purchase in addition to purchasing their tickets. This is a great way to boost your ticket revenue and then upsell your customers. So your customer will select your book button. They'll select the activity that they'd like to purchase and proceed through booking as normal. Once they select Add to Cart, on this next screen, this is where they'll see the options of each product that you've chose to list during checkout. So they can select the products that they would like. They can also up the quantity if they want, and then select Checkout and Pay to continue to add a payment. Lastly, there may be times where a customer has already booked their trip. So maybe they're coming in and it's the day of, and now they would like to purchase a product from you. What you can do is open the reservation, head over to Actions, Sell Product, and this will also pull up your product catalog. So again, you'll just tap on the items. It will add over on the right-hand side. Select Close, and then you can proceed to process payment. So those are the couple different ways that you can sell products through your TripWorks account. If you have any questions on this, just let us know.